Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can block an account on TikTok. There are two ways that you can do this. So let's say you're just scrolling down your homepage and you see an account that you don't like. All you have to do is go to their profile and tap on the three dots on the upper right. And then here on the third row, you can see block. Just tap on that. And as you can see here, it says they will not be able to send you messages, see your post, or find your profile. They will also not be notified that you blocked them. So if you're decided, just tap on block, and there you go. Another way to do this is to search for the username of the person you want to block or the account that you want to block. So let's say I'm just going to type in LankyBox. Go to their profile. Tap on the three dots on the upper right, and it's the same process. Just tap block, and there you go. Thanks for watching.